Welcome back.
We're back in
Here we
the
go.
weird, slow, white room. I don't know why it's all slow.
There's a mirror on your left. You could have gone through. On your right. There you go. Can you go through? Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Dude, why is it like this, though?
I don't know. It's kind of bizarre. Can you put your shotgun away? Ooh. Maybe this is why. Maybe this is some, like, dramatic moment.
No, not that way. No.
I don't like this. Keenan, I don't like this.
So many new admissions, and not a single discharge.
What was that?
Oh, yeah, look. Someone was
Who's
all up on
grabbing
her.
your ass? Can that be me?
Dang, girl. Grabbing that
My
ass.
voice cracked when I was talking about your ass. Okay, let's go.
Dude, what?
Are you
I
supposed to
can't-
go into the
I don't know,
new
I can't-
admission? I think you're supposed to go see the new patient. Probably on the right. Because your room's on the left.
Oh, shit.
Motherfucker.
Let go of me.
No me gusta.
Holy
No me
shit,
gusta,
dude, I
no me
can't
gusta, no
see.
me gusta.
Oh, whoa. What happened in the sink?
I think you're just supposed to go. Just run. Run into the
I
darkness.
can't
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to run into the
Go.
forest someday, and I'm never coming back. And when I come back, I'll be the knife master.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
Oh, it's that person.
Yeah.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
That
I'm
was
fine,
James
I'm
the
fine,
Rev
I'm
Sullivan
fine,
from-
I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine.
She's going to turn around.
James LeVar Sullivan from what? I can't remember. What is it from again? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
No bueno, Keenan.
You don't look well at all. Do take care of yourself.
Whoa.
Is that why? Were we supposed to go through that little thing before we went into...
Probably.
God.
Should I just do
That
this
was
slot?
bizarre. Yeah, let's just save. Frick.
Dude, 4 hours.
That stressed me out. That seriously was, like, stressful.
We could upgrade, though, during that.
Yeah. That was weird.
Yeah, I don't get...
You're almost out of sprint.
So,
Alrighty.
how does that guy have anything to relate with again? I can't remember exactly.
What guy?
The guy that's, like, in the straitjacket.
The patient?
Yeah.
I thought it was a girl. Oh!
Oh my gosh, why was that? They just shut the door. It's evil!
It's within! It's evil
Wait,
within!
where's everyone else?
I don't know. Remember, I think they were down a ways. I don't like the handprints on the wall, bro.
Yeah, there's handprints everywhere. We've been playing this game for 4 hours and you haven't recognized the handprints everywhere?
I don't know, but
Oh, do you see that?
you see that mofo, right?
Should I...
Disarm it for traps.
Yeah,
For-
but what if there's a bad guy?
That could be good, but at the same time, yeah, someone's looking for you. You should probably burn that body. Don't you think?
Probably should. Can I burn it while I...
It's gonna give you something.
Should I burn
Probably
this
burn that
too?
one too. You got plenty of...
Where's this guy, though? Where's this homeboy?
It drops stuff. Wait, burn that one. It's dropping stuff for you. I don't like the squishy noise. Can you hear that?
Oh, shit. Do you see how many there are?
Oh!
I know. I got it.
I'm scared.
Oh,
I'm scared.
shit.
You're gonna die!
I know.
God, they're so slow.
What?
Oh. It wasn't an explosive.
Hey, honey.
Oh my god! Did you see her?
Yeah.
She's like, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh,
Dude, I only have one.
Oh
there
my
we go.
gosh.
That's some ammo.
God, that was freaky.
Wait.
That was exactly what I thought when I saw her. Hey, there's a cabinet on your right.
Oh, is there a guy in that room? Oh, it's a mannequin.
Uh-oh.
Dude, mannequins freaking suck.
You should smack it. Oh, it's another squishy. No. That legit scared me. Did you hit a trap?
I must have. Okay.
Okay, we gotta be
Keep an eye
careful
out
in
for
this room.
traps on the ground.
Brain
Dude, I'm going to have a heart
Totally.
attack.
I'm gonna have to like clip that sound, edit it way down, and then put it back into the audio because that was bad.
It was way too loud.
I think I just like ruined my microphone.
I swear we've screamed louder than that though.
You should burn that too.
Right now though, or should we
Yeah,
wait?
I think you should because things come out of it. Yeah, you should burn it now.
I don't think things come out of it.
Yeah, one
oil.
time it did. Remember when you were killing the guys and you got a lot of headshots?
Yeah.
Wait, was that brain juice behind you?
It came out of the oil though? I thought it just came out of the blood.
Look up, look up, look up. No, down, 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 down. Like down the hall. Never mind.
Oh, that?
Never mind. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Someone's behind you.
See, look,
It
it didn't
didn't
even burn
burn.
it. See, the oil just burns so when people are walking by. Do you hear that?
I thought it was blood. Hey,
Gross, dude.
I think that's a sign of a six-limbed woman.
Dude, don't talk about freaking that girl. Oh shit! Damn it! What did I just get hurt by?
The thing on the wall? It's her, dude. Hey! Go! Go! Go, you! Go!
It's freaking locked?
Oh, you're supposed to burn her.
Dude, we didn't even see her. Did she die?
No, she was burning.
Seems to work.
That's what you do. She ran away. Go get the stuff in there. She comes out again!
Dude, stop. This, I can't. I can't.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, you gotta shoot the bird, shoot the bird, shoot the bird.
Where is it? What the?
Oh, gosh.
How are you supposed to shoot it?
Shotgun? Explosive bolt? Pull!
Oh, dude, that was funny.
This game's fun, dude.
Yeah, you stopped
having a
playing it, you
blast.
pussy. Look, it died. How did it die right there?
Because it's the evil within. That's how it died right there, Keenan. Keenan, it died right
Why are you
there.
talking like Bob
Because
Ross
it was
right
the
now?
evil within. It's
Right?
just-
I
it's
might as well
just-
heal, right?
Yeah, it's just the evil within.
You're talking like Bob Ross.
I
Are
have
you
too
painting a
much fun with
picture
this
right
game.
now?
It's evil within. So here we see the mountain range. And if we do it just right, the mountains will reflect off the water. But we have to make it
You're
it
like,
fade a
Keenan,
little bit.
use all your matches on all the
And so,
on the burning oil piles
as we
because
come
things
in
come out of
here,
them. Don't
There
save
will
them for
be
the girl.
bodies. We should maybe burn the bodies.
You
And
want me to
there are
burn the body?
explosive because she comes out of bodies. Remember, she comes out of bodies. And now the wall appears.
What's it?
And now there's a fiery gas can, and she's gonna burst out of that body unless you burn it right now.
Burn
Good
it.
job.
Now what?
Now you
Bob?
collect the brain juice. You collect the brain
Bob.
juice. You collect the brain juice. You collect the brain juice. You collect the brain juice.
There's no
no
brain
brain
juice.
juice. There's no brain juice. Now you continue, and I've got headphones in, and I'm really kind of scared. And there's like something moving, and I think that it's gonna come out of one of these things. And
What
I
is
think
that?
you need to run past the explosive barrel to kill her. And this is it! Oh my gosh! I think you need a leader. You gotta be careful.
Look, I'm gonna shoot this.
Yeah, but where is she?
I don't know. She's right
She's
there.
coming left.
Dude.
Dude. Go!
Ah! Holy shit! Holy shit! That's right, die, bitch! Die, bitch!
All right, you better go find the next barrel, otherwise you're not gonna know. She's still watching you. There she
Oh
is!
my gosh! Where's the other barrel?
Burn it.
Burn what?
That body. Go down the stairs. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
No, I'm not.
She's behind you.
Holy shit, where is she?
She's on your right. There's a barrel.
I know, I'm waiting until she comes this way.
She's not that bad. Go, go, go.
Dude, she's freaking terrifying. Where is she?
Right there. She knows.
Come this way, stupid.
Burn, bitch, burn. You should shoot her.
She's only gonna die from fire, man.
She's coming out of that body. Don't get trapped in that corner.
Yeah, but won't that fire burn
I
her?
have no idea. Probably not. What does that do?
I don't know.
Oh, it started the fire below you. You're screwed!
Oh shit!
Good shot. Maybe if she comes out of that thing, if she comes out of that one, shoot up the ladder.
Right here, right?
Yeah. She's gonna attack you from behind. Oh. Is that gonna hurt her?
I really hope so. How do I do
I don't
this?
think it did. You can pick that up though. That's a melee weapon.
Dude, this.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
That was
Holy
a melee
shit!
weapon. That's a melee weapon.
It's a melee?
Yeah, you can pick it up.
Oh fuck! Oh my gosh!
We should call this screaming hyena.
Okay, don't I have to turn this on though while
Yeah.
she...
Hi!
Oh my gosh!
Grab the
Morgan!
melee. Grab that weapon.
What is it? It's just a torch?
Hit her with it.
You think that would do something?
Go in there, hit her with it, climb up the ladder, hit the fire again. Damn, I'm smart. No, you gotta.
Oh my gosh!
Hit her while she's here. Hit her while she's here.
I'm trying!
There you go. Go up the
Okay,
ladder.
I'm going! Oh,
Now hurry, pull the trap, pull the trap. Pull the trap. That's gonna get it, right?
Yeah, die, bitch.
I don't think she's dead. But that's probably how you need to kill her.
No!
Shoot her, shoot her!
I can't, dude!
Do something!
I can't do anything!
You stupid idiot!
Dude, what do you want me to freaking do?
This game's fun.
What do I do?
You gotta get her on that trap.
Wasn't she in it?
Shock bolt! Remember, it'll stun her.
When she's in there?
Yeah. So
And then I run up
get
the
her to follow
backside?
you in there. Smack her with the fire. No, shoot her with the shock bolt. Throw a grenade. I don't know. Do whatever you think. Do whatever you
Wait,
want.
I have to come back to this point?
Yeah.
Should I burn that guy?
Maybe.
Do you want to try this?
No. She's the reason I quit this game. Where'd my phone go? I still have the keyboard. I want the keyboard.
It's so scary.
Every time it like makes me tense up. Can you just use the pistol? I mean, isn't that kind of a waste of shotgun ammo?
Dude, don't tell me how to do my job.
Alright. Watch, it's not gonna blow up. It's not gonna blow up. It's not gonna blow up. Oh, you got it.
She was kind of far.
She's kind of fart.
Where's she coming out of?
Probably the guy on the left. Left.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! At least she walks kind of slow. It seems like some parts. Okay, now. Okay, Morgan. Now you think shock bolt?
Probably. I don't know. I'd maybe. I don't know.
Where's the? Oh, I only have one. Okay, when do I use the shock bolt though? That's the thing.
I think when she's down there, so that you open the thing.
But when do I hit her? Like when do I?
Like get her to follow you down. Oh shit! Go. Get her to appear down there. You don't want to shoot yourself though.
Okay, when she comes down. Oh damn!
Shoot the shock bolt.
Yeah, I know.
Get the shock bolt out.
I know. I'm
Go.
trying.
Pull the. No. Didn't
No.
work.
What do I do then?
I don't know.
How do I get her to stay down?
I don't know.
What about the? Oh my gosh! She just tried to grab me.
I don't know. This looks like a pretty safe like pattern though. If you keep going back and forth, kind of circle her. Keep her going.
Okay, I can use a. Do I have to hit her with the shock bolt? Oh, dude, I can set the shock bolt. Remember? Oh my gosh! She's just. Oh no! Damn! No! Shit! Oh shit! Oh damn! Oh gosh! Oh Morgan! Morgan! She's right!
Go up!
I can't!
Dude, I'm pretty sure you can probably just shoot her.
Oh my gosh!
You can probably just kill her with bullets.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure. Oh, you're dead.
Stop, stop.
Let's give this another go. I bet you anything you can just kill her.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure. Why else would there be the barrels and stuff there?
What about the
You know
there's
what?
Like a fire
Shoot the
pit,
barrels
man.
and just pump her with shotgun.
There's a fire pit.
I know, I'm sure that would kill her instantly, but that's not working very well.
How do you why can't she just stay in there?
Cause she wants
Do I have to stun her with the stun bolt?
Probably.
Cause does that stun anyone?
Try shooting her with a flash bolt. Practice. This round's practice.
Sorry. I'm eternally punished. I need to eat people and turn them into me. Maybe she's just upset because she's ugly as fuck.
Probably. I mean, look at all those limbs. I bet she's
Dude,
pissed
she
off.
was freaking far away when I shut that door. Hey, dumb bitch, over here. Piece of shit. That's right. Because these are the only two barrels I've seen, at least. Dude, I don't like it when she, like, flashes too.
Dude, you know what? Here's what I think. Try and go under that door. You know the door?
No,
Is that another fire pit?
I think so. Look at this one, too.
Go, pull it. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, you know what? You know the one that's like partway closed?
Yeah.
I think the best thing to do would be lure her and
shit,
get her
I've
to
seen
teleport to that, climb up the ladder, and pull it as soon as you get up.
Wait, what? Say that again?
Like, light her on fire down at the base to get her to teleport.
Oh my gosh!
Go down.
Down or up?
Oh, I meant down. Yeah, go down now. Go down now. Get her to teleport into that body. Climb up as soon. Go up, and pull it. Pull it now. One. Yeah, just pull. Did she fall?
I don't know, dude.
Hey, she's burning, dude. Okay, now just shotgun the crap out of her. I doubt that killed her.
Where's explosive?
She's coming from there.
Why don't I have the bolt? This way?
That's flashbolt.
Can I not have any of these?
I don't know. That was a flashbolt.
I know.
Press square to use the different bolt.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna run out of sprint.
Okay. This way. Where's the... I don't have any bolts of the... Can
Keep
I
going.
make some?
I don't know. She's
Oh
right-
my gosh!
Smack her! Smack the bitch!
Dude, now... Hold on.
Yeah, see if you have any... Throw some nades at her.
I didn't kill her.
Yeah!
We freaking killed that bitch! Yeah, suck on that! Holy shit, I'm so glad it's over.
I bet she got some brain juice.
Can we go get ice cream now?
Yeah, absolutely. But we need to finish the episode. Let's get that brain juice.
Dude.
Let's find your buddies.
Yeah, I'm gonna freaking burn the shit out of her. Oh,
Just
that's not her.
'cause.
Dude, holy cow.
How much brain juice? Dang!
How many? I didn't
8,000.
see. Morgan, I feel like I could, like...
Proud of you, man.
I
You wanna go
could-
buy ice cream?
Yeah, let's go get ice cream.
Dude. You done good, son.
That was hard.
She
If
was
these
the
guys
reason
come
I stopped
alive-
playing. Wait, you should get all the ammo and stuff. I don't think there was much more.
Oh, I feel so relieved.
You feel safe, right?
Oh, I feel safe. I do. I really do.
Ooh, there's ammo. Left. Right there. That was weird. You grabbed nothing.
I know.
He gave you ammo. Alright, let's go. Ugh, go.
So is that the episode then?
Well,
It's a good way to end.
let's like, I'm sure that's the end of the chapter. Let's just get to the end of the chapter. Maybe we'll upgrade and we'll call it a part. That was just chapter 5. You know there's 10 more chapters.
Yeah, dude, I don't know how this game lasts so long.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Go home. Go.
Yeah, I want to go home.
Subject's case history cites developmental delays. Indicates issues, communication, social cognition, repetitive behaviors, signs of synesthesia reported. Genealogy
Synesthesia? What's
suggests
that?
increased susceptibility to external
Sinisterness.
That's
pattern
good.
adaptiveness. Could you be what I've been searching for all these years? And under my own nose. Unbelievable.
Who is it? Is it
There
the
can be no mistake.
patient? Yeah.
This one is compatible.
Compatible what?
Something sees you.
What in the hell?
I thought it was a butt. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. I think you might...
What? Why don't these die?
Oh, you gotta disconnect them. This is how he makes them.
Holy crap! Was that guy down? And
I don't like it. They're like staticky. Yeah, use that.
I need to
Reload. Go disconnect them.
Can I disconnect the other guy?
Yeah. Now
Dude.
get the brain juice. Get the brain juice.
Why do we have to do this right now? Like, I just had to kill that boss.
Oh, you missed the brain juice.
Dude, you and Brain Juice, seriously, we need to have a talk about this.
It's something like that. I got the itches.
It just
itches.
gets me going.
I got the itches. It gets the juices flowing.
Okay, that was a weird way to end it. It should just ended with her.
Yeah, that was bizarre.
All
All right, let's save it. Let's see if there's like a little cutscene and like if there's any way we can upgrade, we'll call it good.
Yeah, I saved it. Now what?
Oh, my throat is bleeding.
Okay, next chapter or
Next
title
chapter.
menu?
Next chapter. Let's go, baby. Let's just see if there's an upgrade right at the beginning. If not, we'll call it apart. We'll go next way. Uh-oh. It's one of these again. No, no. It's like he lets
I
out
don't like
a,
that spike.
he like lets out a fart on the table and he goes, "What?" And like until he stops them all and they like look at each
The
other.
doctors.
And then they go stab him again.
Did they do something to my head?
You don't look well. You should take better care of yourself.
Oh, she walked right through me. Damn, girl. Hey, look, she changed
Hey, you're
her
all
skirt.
clean. I'm guessing you can upgrade.
Oh, look, I can open one of these too.
Oh yeah, you have a key.
What one should I open?
Bottom
Where'd I get
right.
grenades
Bottom
from
right.
anyway?
Bottom right. Bottom right.
That
Down,
one?
Down. Left. 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 That one. No. Right. Right.
Okay.
Right. One more right.
This one?
One more. That one. No.
Oh my.
Stupid.
It's just ammo?
Idiot.
That's weird, man.
That's kind of lame. Is it like a bank? Wait, is the other stuff there? Is the other stuff there? Yeah, it is. Okay, it's like a bank, like a keepsafe.
But I can't, like, store stuff there.
No.
Oh, wow. Okay, what should we upgrade to finish?
I don't know. Let's go check it out. Other way.
It's this way. I feel like maybe it was scarier before because we just didn't know how to like play the game.
Yeah, maybe. We or you?
Well, like me, like you, like running, like I don't know. There's certain things you have to do in the
Yeah, I
game.
get you.
But like me, just with the controls too. The bolts need to jack squad against that chick though. I guess
all the fire.
I guess explosive ones would
That
have.
third time we really hit her with the fire.
Yeah. And then a grenade.
Yeah.
The grenade killed her, right?
Yeah. So what do you think would be best?
Honestly, I feel like these.
Stock?
Yeah, but how much is it? 6,000?
I feel like 10 matches is good.
Matches is fine. I'm just thinking ammo. Fire rate? I don't know.
No. Maybe accuracy. I wouldn't up the fire rate until you up the accuracy. You know what I mean?
Accuracy wouldn't hurt.
Yeah.
Shotgun, you don't really need accuracy though.
No, there
There's
is
not
no.
even accuracy.
Maybe clip capacity? Let's do some minor upgrades.
Oh, what about this?
That could be good.
What about, do we have that on this? It's 9,000. It's already pretty high.
Yeah.
We should upgrade that next, I think.
Yeah. Alrighty. Sounds good.
I like how we just upgrade pure weapons, no health or anything, usually.
Guess what, everybody? We killed Laura.
Her name's Laura.
Really?
I don't know how.
I thought her name was
I don't know
Bitch.
why, but
Laura, bitch. That's her
Laura,
name.
bitch.
That's her name. Okay. Well, we saved. Moving on to Chapter 6. Subscribe. Chapter 6. Subscribe. Chapter 6.
We just keep going.